Welcome everyone. In today's lesson, we will be going over bullish outcome candles. So, in finding your bullish outcome candle, first you must find liquidity in the form of equal highs, okay? And what we look for in a bullish outcome candle is that last up candle in the form of a wide ranged bodied candle or a long wicked spiked candle. And after we see that liquidity has been captured, we want to see engulfed type of impulse to the downside. So in a way of capitalizing on this, we wait for that correction of price back to the open of the bullish outcome candle that captured liquidity in the form of equal highs for our most optimal sell position.